Ask me why, oh darling, bless you, bless every breath that you take, yeah, bless every move that you make so perfectly, and bless your little heart for loving me. Empress, say something, my girl.
Hold on, listen to me sing. Let men and hear the King. Love and joy that I come to bring. Let me hail him, let me hail him. Hold on, listen to me sing. Let men and hear the King. Love and joy that I come to bring. Let me hail him, let me hail him. Looking at the world out there, I'm living in a corrupted atmosphere. George Bush to the wickedness and nuclear. Bin Laden and them terrorists everywhere. Tell me I'm supposed to live in a fear. I'm a warrior, could I never scare. Found the eagle and the dragon and the bear.
Sure,
Was the lions,
cause this year one of the wickedest girl they in a New York City. Wickedest girl they in a New York City. Run at my girl without any pity. Many, 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 take it.
Army PRINCESS MENEN. That spells Princess Menen. And that's how Derek Barney. That's my close friend. We tell them go together. We are burn out Eden. So if you wanna tell me you feel going round here.
Yo, you know say that a long time we are one them and them never want listen.
Yeah.
Empress men them you know we give them the blessing.
Yeah.
Moving up, talking up, robbing up.
Yeah.
Give it up one time, the Empress.
Blessed lovely people.
Our little Empress. And this is one of the things that Cedric teach me. Pull it down. Thank you. This is one of the things that I learned from Cedric Brooks. Make sure recognize the people you're with and the company that you have. Don't wait until people outside of our community come tell you, say, people wicked and rare. Acknowledge the thing from now, man. New York City, little Jamaica. And a Jamaica, little New York, you know. New York City, little Jamaica. Enough things there in New York, and it's like we now use it. You see me? Give it up one time for the Empress. Beautiful little girl. Shut our thing. One more piece. Give them a piece more.
Black, red, yellow, and green. Beautiful as colors Princess Menen ever seen. Black, red, yellow,